What's going on, everyone? We're here today for a very special game of skate here on this mini ramp at the Braille house. We are joined today with Bruce. And how old are you, Bruce?
7.
7. You are 7 years old. And you are gonna take on this guy right here?
I think you got it.
I think you got it. And how long have you been skating?
About 2 years.
2 years? Love it, love it. So we have Bruce right here. We have JD Sanchez, and I had to stand up because my leg was about to fall off. And we're gonna play an epic game of skaters, 7 letters here on the mini ramp. We're just gonna sit back and watch because this is gonna be an epic showing. Who do you think is gonna win? Leave it in the comments below. And thank you for tuning in to this beautiful episode of Braille Skateboarding. I don't even know where I was going with that. We're just gonna start the game. Let's go.
All right, Rochambeau.
Or rock, paper, scissors, whatever.
Oh.
I'm ready. First win.
Here we go. So the way the rules work is you set a trick, and then even if you make it or miss it, JD goes next and sets a trick. And then you go again, you guys alternate tricks, okay? He looks stoked. Oh, okay. Little Axel 270, I like it.
He didn't even start easy. He just went full in. That's actually,
Wow.
I've never done it with the back 50 now.
That's a sketchy one. Oh.
We could play regular. You wanna play regular?
We can, I mean, we can do regular if you want.
Let's go.
Oh.
He is not going easy on me, bro. He's full punching.
Woo! All right.
I don't think he's ever gonna fall.
JD, I'm gonna give you a letter for popping too hard.
I'm trying to get those good like that. Damn, that from Feeble is better than mine from Feebles. I came from Feeble like that.
JD is correct. Yep. Definitely need some work.
I don't think he's ever gonna fall.
Oh!
What in the heck?
How did he roll away from that?
That was so good. Oh, that was so sketchy. That was like way back.
See, he just won a game of skate against a normal person.
Yeah.
Little back D.
The ramp is slippery. I almost slid out.
Oh! Tried to stop it. I didn't think he was gonna miss a trick, but here we are.
All right, ready?
Ooh, front 50 peggy, like it. Yes, sir.
You know that's one of the hardest tricks to do. Let's see if you got this one.
Ooh, little blunt back D. Oh! That's an S.
Try to do something. I might fall on this.
Man, kick with back disaster. I feel like I never see you do that trick.
I kind of got him, now.
All right, back to Bruce.
Wow.
Yep, back D revert.
He stood on that one.
Smooth. Whoa! Barely hold on to it. Just one letter. Okay. I like it, little combo.
Oh my gosh, I barely made that.
It's good. How did you stay on that? How did that just happen?
That was the greatest save ever. Dude, I'm barely landing anything. I'm feeling sketchy today.
Oh, snap.
Most kids, when they first learn that, they can do it like once every 10 tries. He just did that like perfect.
On luck, as they would say.
Oh, barely.
I was gonna say, there was a good chance you could get a letter right there. On behalf of Braille Skateboarding, I am sorry he lands everything. Oh! That was wild! Oh my god! Kickflip front rock is absolutely savage.
That don't count.
Get him out of here! Ah! One letter. Hey, that was savage trick right there. That was sick. S to S. Oh, nollie blunt. That's a good one.
All right, let's see. I know you got back tails. You got it to fakie though.
I love the look on his face. He's like, maybe. Woo! That's ridiculous. What do you feed this kid?
Yeah, what do you feed him?
I mean, sour Skittles. All right, you got it.
Straight double flip, perfect.
Crush. Crush.
Alright, come on.
That's brute too.
I think he probably landed before me.
Oh my gosh.
Barely hung on.
Wow. There it is. SK to S.
Yeah, I got him a letter. Oh, I know a good one.
Whoa.
I didn't spin enough.
Oh!
I haven't done one of these in a long time, bro.
Oh!
Ah, we tied up again.
K to A, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, bro. That was it, so perfect. I can't really do him to fit. Does that count?
Run
I
that
can't
back.
even do him to 50. I can only do him to feeble because I overspin him.
Oh! Defense! That was crazy. Oh!
That was my favorite trick to do when I was like 10.
The rewind is wild.
But 7, doing that is insane.
There it is. Oh!
That was insane. I've never done that, ever. All right, I'm gonna try the other way, into 50. I missed it. Was that your trick? Go again. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have told him to go again.
Wow!
What? I've actually never done that. What the heck? What in the... That's an A. I've literally never thought of that. I'm lost for words.
All right, A to A, all tied up. Oh! This is the best mini ramp game I think I've ever seen.
He's probably already done this, but if he doesn't, you should learn this trick.
Whoa! All right, T to A.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
Oh, I got stuck on the coping. That scared me, bro. Back, big spin disaster. Oh my God, does that count? I'll do it again, I'll do it again.
There it is. Oh! You got that. All right, so we're playing skaters, so you have 2 letters left.
I want to try this new one. I dreamt of it like 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
But I was hurt, so I couldn't try it. Ooh, that one's scary, man.
That is a persistence episode. Oh!
That's kind of scary. Maybe I don't want to try that. Wow.
Oh! Yeah! That is S-K-A-T-E-R. Final letter.
Is my trick still?
Your trick still.
I'm gonna try something.
Go for the banger.
Go for the banger? Kind of scared. I want to try to double flip.
Oh, blunt double flip? Wow. That is ridiculous.
I might got that.
Woo-hoo.
I want to learn that.
Nice.
He's too good.
Just makes everything look easy.
Exactly.
Oh! That's a T.
What?
You going blunt? Yeah. What the heck?
I want to give that 3 more tries.
Whoa! Oh my God.
No way!
Oh.
What?
Please do that.
Dude, you're blowing my mind.
Please do that. We love to see it.
That's had a lot for work. He's too good.
Wow. E. 2 letters left.
No way.
Oh my God. R, final letter. You can win right here. Oh. The no grab is wild.
He knows what he's doing.
All right. All tied up, R to R.
I'm gonna switch it up. Ready?
All right. Holy!
What the heck?
That was wild.
I'll give you 20 bucks if you land it right here.
20 bucks? Why don't I ever get off of nice things? Oh!
Good game.
That was incredible.
This kid blew my mind. I was not expecting that.
He found
He's
out.
just going crazy.
Yeah, he found out one
He's
slight
very
weakness.
smart. He found out my weakness and just kept going with it.
Exploited it.
Yeah.
Excellent job. You're incredible.
That had to be one of the best mini ramp games of skate I've ever seen.
That probably was.
I really was like, JD's about to lose this game. And I never think JD's about to lose this game. So that's a new thing for me, and that was scary. That was wild. I'm ready to retire.
Can't even talk.
Yeah, I'm gonna retire. And I'm just gonna continue doing my job of filming amazing skateboarders because it's really fun. And you're awesome. Thank you.
Crazy.
And thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. We appreciate it. We drop a video every single day at 10 a.m. So for those of you that are here watching every single day, we love you, we appreciate you, and we thank you. Check out these incredible skaters. Links in the description below. And is there anything you want to say before we go?
No.
Nothing. But that was awesome.
Well said.